Good day, everyone. I am Roldan C. Bangalan, faculty member of the School of Arts, Sciences, and Teacher Education of St. Paul University, Philippines, in Tuguegarao City, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. My fellow attendees, I'm glad to share with you my paper titled College Students' Learning Experiences and Attitude Toward Mathematics in the Modern World. According to the Department of Science and Technology, students today require stronger mathematical knowledge, skills, and values to pursue higher education, to compete and be part of the technologically oriented workforce, and to be informed citizens. In connection, the reformed Philippine educational system through K-12 Enhanced Basic Education Program aims to make each student a holistically developed Filipino with 21st century skills. In light of these demands and changes, the Commission on Higher Education released CMO number 20, Series 2013 as a guide that defines the new general education curriculum. General education is the portion of the curriculum common to all undergraduate students regardless of their major. In response to the challenges of the 21st century, the goal of the general education is to produce thoughtful graduates imbued with values reflective of a humanist orientation, conscious of his or her identity as an individual, a Filipino, a member of the global community, and a steward of the environment. One of the general education courses that all first-year college students should take is Mathematics in the Modern World. This course deals with nature of mathematics, appreciation of its practical, intellectual, and aesthetic dimensions, and application of mathematical tools in daily life. The course begins with an introduction to the nature of mathematics as an exploration of patterns and as application of inductive and deductive reasoning. Ontario Ministry of Education emphasized that of paramount importance for successful mathematics instruction is promoting positive attitudes in students. According to Farouk, attitude towards mathematics plays a crucial role in the teaching and learning processes of mathematics. Similarly, the study of Kant indicated that the use of instructional practices such as active learning, interesting topics, a sense of humor, Socratic questioning, and activities enhancing mathematical thinking and problem-solving skills influence students' attitude towards mathematics. At St. Paul University, Philippines, the course MMW is offered to all bachelor's degree programs of the School of Arts, Sciences, and Teacher Education. First-year college students have to enroll the course MMW in the first semester of academic year 2018-2019. This is the first time where instructors teach the course and students study the new course. It is then appropriate to conduct an assessment and the teaching and learning of the new course. The findings of this study will surely help teachers as well as curriculum planners innovate strategies for future action to bring about an improvement in the teaching of mathematics and student learning. This study aimed to investigate the learning experiences and attitude towards mathematics of the first batch of first-year college students under the new General Education Curriculum academic year 2018-2019 at St. Paul University, Philippines. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. What is the student's attitude towards mathematics? Second, what are the topics in mathematics in the modern world that are liked most by the students? What are the teaching learning activities which the students participated and learned the most? Fourth, what are the realizations, challenges, and suggestions of the students in learning mathematics in the modern world? And what plan of action can be proposed to improve the teaching and learning of mathematics in the modern world? This study employed a mixed method approach. Quantitative data were generated through Likert scale survey questionnaire, while qualitative data were gathered through a semi-structured interview. The participants of this study are the first batch of first-year college students in the School of Arts, Sciences, and Teacher Education of St. Paul University, Philippines. Of the 127 students, 109 or 85.83% participated in this study. This is the profile of the participants. A mathematics attitudinal survey was modified to suit the context of the study, students' experience on learning mathematics in the modern world, as well as their suggestions for the improvement of teaching and learning of MMW were determined through a set of open-ended questions. These instruments were content validated by researchers and mathematics experts. For the data collection procedure, first, permission from the Office of the Dean was acquired. Second, informed consent was secured from the participants, and the questionnaires were administered while the semi-structured interview was conducted after their class hours. Data gathered were analyzed and interpreted using the following statistical tools. Weighted mean was used to determine the attitude of the participants towards mathematics. Frequency, percentage, and rank was used to determine the most liked topics and class activities. And thematic analysis was used to determine the realizations, challenges, and suggestions of the participants. For the results of this study, as gleaned in this table, participants have favorable attitude regarding relevance of mathematics. This is evident in the following statements. Math is a worthwhile, necessary subject. I'll need a good understanding of math for my future work, and school math is relevant to life in today's world. Generally, students have positive attitude towards math as reflected by an overall mean of 3.33. As shown in this table, most of the participants like the first chapter of the course, Mathematics in Nature, the most. Likewise, more than half of the participants enjoyed the topic Patterns and Symmetries. A number of participants found logic an interesting topic. As revealed on this table, of the many and varied teaching learning activities utilized in MMW, 68 participants enjoyed and learned the activity map coloring the most. The essay writing activity is preferred by 56 participants. This is supported by their responses like, I like essay writing the most due to my inclination to writing. 40 participants love doing artworks. These are some of the teaching learning activities done by the students. And here are some of the students' creative outputs. After a semester of learning mathematics in the modern world, the participants unveiled the following realizations. These realizations are categorized into three: perceptions of math, MMW compared to other math subjects, and MMW as a math class. With regards to students' perceptions of mathematics, they recognize that mathematics is not just about numbers and computations, but a science of patterns. They also realize that mathematics is necessary in order to understand the world better and make it a better place to live in. In addition, participants reiterated that mathematics is difficult, but it would be fun if one shows interest and tries his best. As to their comparison of MMW to other math subjects. Generally, students find mathematics in the modern world more challenging and interesting. MMW encourages students to appreciate the intellectual, aesthetic, as well as the practical value of mathematics. MMW as a math class. There are still few students who find MMW boring, but most of them find the course challenging and fun. Students attributed their positive attitude towards the subject to the following: interesting topics, teachers' personality, and engaging learning activities. These are the challenges encountered by students: difficulty in understanding the topics, difficulty in devising a plan, or utilizing appropriate strategy or formula, too much topics and terminologies, lack of practice in problem solving, lack of concentration, and lack of interest toward the subject. It is necessary for teachers to be aware of these challenges for improvement of the teaching learning. While students find learning MMW exciting and fun, there is still room for improvement. Students suggested the following for the improvement of student learning experience in MMW. First, give more examples about the topic, more thorough discussion, regulate the pace in teaching, utilize other activities to engage the students more, incorporate film viewing, let the students report for it would help them boost confidence, more time for students to do their task. The researchers' salient findings of this study, as revealed by the student participants, serve as a basis for the development of this proposed plan of action. Based from the findings of the study, the following conclusion was drawn. Students exhibited positive attitude towards mathematics and recognized the importance of mathematics in one's life and in the society. It is motivating to know that students find mathematics in the modern world more appealing than other math subjects. Students thrive well in a learning environment that fosters exploration, creativity, collaboration, love, and respect. Students of mathematics in the modern world revealed that one's negative perception of mathematics can be altered through effective integration of technological, pedagogical, and content approaches. With this, every student will begin to like, do, and love mathematics. Maybe some of you are curious about the background of my slides. This is so because in MMW class, students will learn that mathematics is not just the study of numbers, but considered the science of patterns, a useful way of thinking about nature, a way of making sense of this world, and the language in which the universe is written. Diyos magbalo. Thank you.